YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to a banger new video. It's your boy Roxy. So today it's an early morning POV driver getting out here. About to go fade the gym, bros, and then go to work. So yeah, I just wanted to, I guess, hop on here. It's gonna be a pretty chill vid, bro. Just hop on here, good vibes, you know, and just give you guys that POV drive. I know y'all like those a lot. So if you saw the clip in the beginning, there's a Kia next to the Charger. So if y'all remember the video from a couple days back, my sister actually passed her driver's test. So that's gonna be her car. It's a Kia. I don't even know what kind of Kia it is, bro. But it's nice. It's pretty nice, brand new car. So I took a couple clips. I don't know if I posted them already on Instagram, but make sure to head over to Instagram, I guess, if you want to see some content from that day, or like some clips of the Kia with the Charger. It's pretty legit. Also probably gonna be filming a video with it pretty soon, I guess, doing like a comparison. I think that vehicle has like 275 horsepower, but that's beyond the point, bro. That's a great daily. She's getting like upper 20s for miles per gallon and everything. Meanwhile, we're over here at 16.5, but it's the life we live, boys. It's not a cheap lifestyle right now. Pretty dope car, pretty sick. So yeah, definitely gonna be making a video here in the upcoming future. But today, we have all this open stretch out here. Cops do tend to sit up there, so not gonna go too crazy, but definitely gonna open this thing up, especially when we get downtown. So I'll probably pick up the camera here in a bit, guys, just so I can concentrate on not getting pulled over. And I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, so let's go ahead and cut on that sports mode. There we go. It's a pretty cool little tunnel. We don't have that many tunnels here in Houston, but you know, we make do with what we do have. So there's another Charger over there. Charger and a Mustang. I don't know where they're going. Yeah, no, so for my protein snack today, or for my snack today, I had a banana and then a granola bar. So I think that's around like a little 400 calories with both things included. So that's good, you know, it's light, not gonna like slow me down, but provides enough carbs and stuff like that. So should be a pretty good workout. So last weekend they were actually doing construction over there on 59, and I had to I was on the loop already, but the traffic was just all backed up. So literally people decided to start reversing off the loop, which is sketch, but you know, wasn't too terrible. I think I'm supposed to actually be over there, but you know, come on, Tesla. It'd be a cool spot too for content over there. All right, let's see. Also, driving here, bro, you gotta fight your way over, bro. People don't let you over when you put on the blinker. You gotta drive aggressively. So yeah, no, it's Sunday, so it's barely people out today. Everyone's still in bed, sleep, or people that are out most likely, you know, headed to church, worship services and stuff. So roads are pretty empty, but you know, when it's too empty, bro, that's when it's kind of, you gotta still be cautious, bro, because you know, especially Houston cops, bro, sometimes they be lurking, so you gotta be careful, bro. Plus there's no real reason to speed really right now. Only have 80 miles, so it's not like I could go anywhere. Oh yeah, beautiful vet. I really like the old school vets, bro, more than anything. The newer ones are cool, don't get me wrong, and stuff like that, they're hard, but my neighbor has an old vet, super nice, bro. And then the cams, bro, cams on Chevys, bro, dude, they sound so good, bro. Was also gonna ask you guys, probably gonna start doing questions, I guess, in the beginning of the videos, just to, you know, help with the, I guess, get y'all to interact more in the comments, whatever. So comment below if you could drive any car in the world right now, have any car, I mean, in the world right now, what would it be? So me personally, of course, it's gonna be a McLaren 720, bro. Like that's like my dream car. So that's mine. But no, I'm interested to hear what your guys' car is. Is it, you know, gonna be something American like a Ford GT, or y'all like Lamborghini guy? Like, what are y'all into? So leave a comment down below on what your dream car is. Got another RT boys. Kind of like the old school body style on the Chargers, bro. I really wish they would have came up with like another gen. See what I tell y'all, bro's looking like catches people speeding on this. He's right there, already ready to go. But yeah, no, as I was saying, I definitely like the old school style, whatever, on the Chargers. It looks like, oh no, it looks mean, bro. Like, looks mean. I really wish they would have, like, you know, did another iteration of the Chargers and Challengers before they got rid of us. But fortunately, this is where we're at. But there has been speculation that they're supposed to be doing something else, like another gas-powered Charger before the complete dismantle of it. But we'll see, man. I feel like only time will tell. If anything, it'll be definitely a good part on the marketing team to do something like that. I feel like people go crazy in terms of trying to buy things because there's already been markups that are like ridiculous right now for the Chargers and Challengers. This tire's like wobbling. It's not good. But yeah, the markups like that are right now, at least. I mean, this was with any car. The markups are just crazy right now, so definitely going to be paying over MSRP for anything you get. Sheesh. You know, funny enough, when I graduated, I told myself that I was like never driving back downtown again because did not feel like, you know, seeing that school again. But here we are, man. So this gym, I've been going to it now for like 3 months, but I only come here because, you know, I work like downtown basically. So it's like I don't know, it's like on the way to work, so kind of fits. The only reason I'm coming down here, bro, if I did not have this gym down here, I would not be here, bro. Not be here. This is like way too far from the crib. But it's a pretty nice gym. In my opinion, it's totally worth it. Actually have them like all over the states, or no, Florida, Arizona, and Texas, and of course Cali. You know, everybody's in Cali. But it's called EOS. So if you're looking for a new gym, definitely recommend checking them out, guys. It's fire. 10 out of 10. They're building more also, like, everywhere, so yeah. But yeah, no. That's the city. I don't know, depending on, you know, if I finish on time, we might go downtown, wake up people downtown, some pools and stuff in the morning for work. We'll see. Like I said, regardless, after this, we gotta get gas, bro, because we are struggling. These turns are always so tight. And then this is what I be talking about, bro. So everyone says, oh, bag it, go lower, go lower. Do y'all not see this, bro? Like, man, this is like the roads, bro. The roads in the city are terrible. Like, all you would hear is, and I'll just be like bouncing around everywhere. So, you know, if I were to like bag it, bro, I just have to be very careful. Like, drive super slow everywhere downtown. Like, at that point, you really can't. You can't just be like confident going over bumps, bro, because you never know. The amount of potholes we have in the city is ridiculous. I didn't even finish my granola. I don't know if y'all can see, but over there, somebody's car actually got broken into. I was here when it happened. I mean, I didn't see the guy like breaking into the car or anything like that, but like right after I pulled up to the gym, some people were walking out and they're like, oh yeah, it just happened. I was like, that's crazy. So reminded, don't leave your valuables in the car, bro. Like, I bring everything into the gym. Like, I'm going to work, so I have like obviously like my laptop and stuff like that. I'm bringing that into the gym too, bro. Like, I'm not about to be leaving, you know, items for people to steal. It's way easier just to replace a windshield than it is to replace, you know, the actual valuables. Look for a new license. Like, it's a hassle, bro. So be smart. Shout out to Costco. So this is what we got today in the Kirkland protein bars. pretty good. And then, like I said, we had a banana. Need to clean out my car, bro. Car's so dirty right now. But yeah, no, these are fire. Super chewy, soft, not like hard and stuff. I feel like hard granola is just trash, bro.
1 hour later.
Like I'd never left, but I swear. Yeah. Just finished the workout. It was really good, bro. It was really good. Can't really complain, man. I don't even know the direction this video is going. Like I said, it was just like a POV drive. I actually get off of work at 7, so I thought I was working at 12 today, but apparently not. I don't know if I'll pick up the camera later, if I'm gonna just end the video here. But yeah, guys. Just a little quick video, you know what I'm saying? We'll see where this goes.